Alright guys, today I'm doing a recipe. It's pretty easy here. So I have some ground turkey, some cloves of garlic, some carrots, and a nice spring mix here from Fresh Express. It has things like baby lettuce, greens, and some other stuff in there. So probably arugula or something. Anyways. These spring mixes are great, or these greens are kind of great because it is fast and it is already pre-washed. So I always have people asking, how you have time to make things. These things, all you do is grab a handful and you cook it with the ground turkey. So it works out really well. So I'm gonna season all this with some like fennel seeds, some white pepper, some oregano, and then. I'm gonna use water. I don't use any oils to cook. So, all right, I'll be right back. All right, so I got the garlic all cut up in there. I'm gonna put the ground turkey in, and then I'm gonna put some parsley and a whole bunch of seasoning, and then we're gonna cook it all. So I'll be right back. So it's fully seasoned here. I'm gonna cut up some carrots. I'll put it on the side and cook it all at once, and then put in the greens at the end. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So here it is. As you can see, the greens are in there. I have parsley in there. It's all cooking. Gonna wait maybe about 3 minutes or so till the chicken's all fully cooked, and then I'll do a quick taste test. Be right back. Alright guys, so it is now done. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test for you. And here's some ground turkey. There we go. It's really good. Here's some greens. So, taste-wise, it's great. So I put like ground white pepper, garlic salt. So a lot of that flavor permeates through, and then you got the greens, and then you got the parsley aroma, and the oregano, and then fennel seeds. It goes down. It tastes really good. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.